Have you ever heard of Riva Xcape? Fishing, parties, and plenty waterfalls can be found here. It's another nature adventure. Let's go! We're gonna check out Riva Xcape in cool Clarendon. Let's go! Which way? Left, right? Passing Clarendon Park, less than 2 minutes away. And we made it. Well, not quite. Just let me park up while you like and subscribe. Yeah man, on our way to Riva Xcape. This is a Johnny, Director of Nature Adventure Jamaica. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's go! Oops, almost dropped it. And here we are. Riva Xcape, a beautiful hidden gem right here in Clarendon. Also known as River Par after the popular annual party that is held here. The next edition is December 27, 2025. Before we get to jump in, enjoy the waters, explore deep into the forest, and discover more natural wonders, we need to do some fishing. But first, we need to get some bait.
You want to catch it?
Yeah man, let me see it. Hold on, let me see it. So, yeah, okay, alright, cool.
Soon find some fatter one.
And that look fat already, you know. Yeah. I'm here with the Island Adventure crew. Check out their YouTube channel at Island Adventure JA. Oh, that one, a small one, them, right?
Yeah, when I small.
Look good, man. Alright.
Yeah. You can have to come down.
Yeah, man, bait the everywhere around here. Let me do this one now. You want to come out, yes? Watch it.
Big one.
A big one. Wait, y'all free. That's why you do that, yo. Yo. It's too big. No, man, I sneak that, you know. No, man, worm. I sneak that, man. It's not record? What?
Mother load here.
The biggest one so far.
Well, seriously, another one, I know. What's it?
What long? Lang ka na di battle na?
Yeah.
Do you? You feel a
I will go in
So one right this way, so one right this way, yeah.
Yeah, find a lot of worm, right?
And I want you to take out too.
Alright,
spot this.
best time to catch a fish there in here.
Nice.
The knife. Oh.
Oh, yes, come here.
Oh, them get smart and run from it. Oh.
As long as them can't see, they will eat the bait.
Alright, so we'll find plenty worm out here. Now let's get back to the water and do some fishing. Let's go.
Alright, so them say night is the best time to go fishing. We're gonna still try a thing in the day. If you look a little close, you can see the fishing line in the water. Come on, people, let's get those likes up. Hit the like button, come support the thing.
Yeah. Hope the camera can pick up the line, man. Hope the camera, but it not work, man. The line too thin. Can't pick it up. Yeah, man, I see it a move. Oh, do you feel it? Okay.
Looks like nothing now bite. Looks like we have to try again.
You have to have enough patience for them things, man. Alright.
All with the fishing rod, nothing biting today. Make sure when you come to fish, you come at night so the fish them won't see the line. Some smart fish right here at Riva Xcape. For just 500 Jamaican dollars, you get all this and so much more. A nice spot for cookouts, camping, swimming, chilling, and yes, even fishing. But better you do that at nights. They even do clay massages here. You can also explore more spots along the river. Let's find out more. This way, this way. Alright, so one last look. Let's go.
Oh, sorry. I'm okay. Yeah, man, thanks. Ooh. It's railroad trucks. I only say off the beaten path, man. Not even a safe path. Yeah. Running? Are you good? Watch your step. Here, bush double, man. Right, it's so dangerous, man. I like the little bamboo wall for hold on, man, but there's a cliff down there, so.
Just hold on, people. We're so reach. We're so reach.
You're good, you're good.
Now this is a real nature adventure. Come on, people. Let's get those likes up.
Okay.
And here it is.
Yeah, man, so we're there at Riva Xcape right now. Just come from the top part of the river, now we're at the bottom part. You can see further up right there, so there's a little waterfall little down there, so but can't get to it sadly. And may I see a nice little waterfall flow over here, so the so showing in the part there. But let me see. Probably best me just show it to you in a post, right? But yeah, the place looks shot, man. I'm not gonna lie. Up here, rivers, let me see. Escape River, it run through Toolies, may I hear? I know everything there really connected to Milk River in a Clarendon, right here. So yeah, man, the place beautiful, man. I wanna stay, but this I just wanna mini stops and thing, man. Alright. It's a beautiful location.
Going further up, you can even catch another waterfall to chill and relax. It's one river, but plenty of spots to sit and relax. I found a few more for myself. We'll save that one for another video. A special thanks to Tanisha from Outdoor Cooking JA and Ricardo from Island Adventure JA for showing me this spot. You can check out their YouTube channels and the links below. To find Riva Xcape, also known as River Park, click the Google Maps link in the description below. Thanks for watching this nature adventure in Jamaica. Would you visit Riva Xcape? What's the best spot along the river to chill and relax? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Ajani signing off. See you on the next adventure. You can also check out some of our other videos.